Hello everyone, welcome back again with another video. Okay, so today we are going to talk about BitMex platform. And I have provided the referral link and referral code in the description box. Please check it out. Let's delve into the things that you will learn today. So you will be learning about the sign up and the registration of the BitMex platform, and you'll be able to trade. You will be able to buy cryptocurrencies and everything I'm going to teach you. Okay, so here you can simply see the interface. Like, you need to put email and you need to put your the password, and automatically if you follow the referral link, then you will be redirect to this section, and referral code will be automatically show over here. So simply please select your country, which country you are from, and you need to verify that you are a human. Okay, so basically many platform verify that you are a human. So this is just a captcha, and simply agree the terms and condition. Then after, you need to simply tap on register. So this is like a registration or sign up process. So if you tap on register now, then you will redirect to this page. Okay, so let's talk about what does the BitMex platform do, and what are the things you need to like you need to reminder yourself what you need to do over here. So simply here you can simply see the chart over there, like the green signal and the red signal. So what does it mean? Okay, so the green signal is for the buy and the red signal is for the sell. So you can simply see the overview, the highest rate of the selling and the buying. So simply you can see the data over here, and you can simply decide whether which cryptocurrency you need to buy. For example, let's say the Bitcoin is the most selling or the most buying the crypto, then you can simply trade over here for the Bitcoin. So that's just easy and simple step, so I'm going to teach you. And here is the buy crypto and other things like guilds. So you can simply see over the nav bar at the top side, like guilds and new over there, and you will be able to create guilds over there. So simply I will tell you. And the main thing is buy crypto. So let's talk about before moving to the buying crypto. So simply you can see the overview and the interface that I'm showing you. And if you tap on derivatives, then you will be simply redirect to this page. And for the spot trading also, so spot trading and derivatives, they are both different. So whichever trading, you can simply do the trading and invest your money over here. So this is a educational or informational video, so we are not just enforcing or insisting you to just use this platform. So we are just providing you the information. So the choice is yours, whether you invest here or not. That it depends upon you. Okay, so we have just see the overview of the spot trading also. There you can simply buy or sell the cryptocurrencies over here. So the major difference is, like in the derivatives, you can simply go for the long and the long buy and long sell, and or short buy or short sell. And for the spot trading, you can simply spot over here and simply invest your money over here. So that's just a very basic concept of every trading platform. So we are here at the BitMex platform. So don't forget to use our referral link and the referral code, which is in the description box. So if you follow that, you will get some rewards over there. So don't forget to use that. So if you tap on buy crypto, then you will be see this kinds of interface over there. So if you tap on like buy crypto, then you will be able to buy the cryptocurrencies over there. So simply it's just loading, so you need to wait for like some moments, like for the 10-20 seconds. So that's not an issue. Sometimes the server load, so server may load slower, so that's the issue. So here you can simply see so how much amount of money you want to just buy. So simply you can like choose the currency and your payment method. Then after you will be able to like see you will be able to buy the Bitcoin or any other things. So simply at the top side like 500 like Romania, and like so I am like just doing for this country. So simply you can simply any option, you can simply tap any option over there. And here is the like payment method, like credit card, debit card, Google Pay. Okay, so they accept like Google Pay also. So simply you can like evaluate and you can proceed to pay. So and make sure that this is a informational video, so we are not insisting you to just invest over this platform. So we are providing you the tutorial video so that it will be much more easier for you to just delve into this platform. Okay, so after this payment like method, so we have selected, so we can simply convert the currencies over there. So simply if you tap on convert now, and then you can simply see how much amount of money you can simply convert. So you will be able to like convert any currencies over there. So for example, let's say if you like want Bitcoin and you are just investing 100 US dollar. So in 100 US dollar, how much Bitcoin you will get? So they will, and all they will means this platform will show you. So BitMex does have the like convert like convert calculator. So simply this is a good and the positive aspect of it. So if you tap on the guilds, so you can simply join the guilds and you can simply share the information and you can simply learn all these things in guild, or you can simply create your own guilds over there. So it is very beneficial for you. So if you just create the guild, then you can simply share your ideas, or you can simply like increase your cryptocurrency and trading current like career over here. So if you like the content, so please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. So this is mandatory because we have teach you about this platform and about this video like BitMex platform. So please don't forget to use our referral link and referral code. So please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell over there. We'll be uploading like more videos like this. So till then, bye bye and take care.